joylashgan. Masalan, Votor deymiz, Kitob tumani 14 dona skvajda.
We have 14 wells, for example, in the district.
Void deymiz, 44 dona Nishot suv qudug'imiz bor.
In water and check we have 42 wells.
Void deymiz, 18 dona suv qudug'imiz bor.
Water and check 18 wells.
Xuddi shunaqa mana shu manbamiz G'uzor, Qamashi, Qarshi shahri va Qarshi tumanining qisman ichimlik suv ta'minoti manbasi.
G'uzor, this is also source of water for G'uzor, Qamashi, Qarshi, and other kind of districts.
Okay, so at this, so basically you have. So these are the two pipelines that you said that go to Kashi. And then you have a third one exploiting the same aquifers going to another place. The one question I have, is the water flowing from Kashi up or the opposite direction here? Like between Kashi and Koson?
Qarshidan Kosonga bu tepaga yuradimi yo pastga?
Yo'q.
Samotyot bilan yo napor?
Samotyot yuradi. Yana endi ikkinchisi
by gravity goes.
Bu boyagi liniyamiz Qarshi yo'nalishdagi liniyamiz. Yana qo'shimcha liniyamiz bor Koson Muborak uchun.
So we have some separate line. They have